everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change layers in Alight Motion application. You can easily rearrange and manipulate your layers on mobile devices on Alight Motion, so here is how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Alight Motion application and sign into your account. Once you're inside the main home page, open up a project by selecting the Projects tab and click open one of the projects where you have multiple layers added. You can also open up a new project and import multiple layers, which can be videos, text, or images. Now, tap on the layer on the screen in order to select them. If you tap and hold on it, you will be able to select multiple layers at once. To move an individual layer, select it and drag it up or down on your screen. You can also resize your layer according to your need. Put it in a desired place to rearrange the layer order. Layers that are higher on the list will appear right above of those below in the preview window and final video output. You can change the layer's visibility as well by simply going ahead and selecting a layer and tapping on the little eye icon at the bottom left. If you go ahead and press on the eye icon and when it is disabled, the layer is hidden but not deleted. If you tap on it again and you reveal the eye icon, then it will make the layer appear in the preview again. And that way you will be able to change your layer or move it to a position where you would want it to appear. That is how you can easily change your layer on Alight Motion following these couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.